Stay connected with Verizon, America's most reliable network. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working from home, or keeping in touch with loved ones, you need a network you can trust. With Verizon's 5G ultra wideband, experience lightning fast speeds and unparalleled coverage. Switch today and see why more people rely on Verizon. Visit Verizon.com or your nearest Verizon store to learn more.
That's great. It's a good data read. You performed a little bit, but okay. So when you look at this, like, is there any kind of like descriptive words that jump out at you at all? I like to do that because it helps me get into like the mood and the tone of the script. Because you can learn a lot from the script, not just the direction. Oftentimes the direction will steer you in the wrong direction, but the real truth of it is in the script if it's written well. And this appears to be.
Right, yeah. I think I like reliable.
Yeah. Uh-huh. It can be a sentence too. It doesn't have to be just a word. Like for me, I pick up keeping in touch with loved ones.
Right.
You know, that has like a feeling to it. Even just saying that brings up feelings, you know? And